At EMAX, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of brushless motor technology, delivering power, durability, and precision in every flight. The E3 series is our latest breakthrough. To ensure maximum efficiency and durability, the E3 series utilizes single-strand winding, a specialized design that reduces electrical resistance and significantly improves heat dissipation. Equipped with high-grade N52SH arc magnets, the E3 series offers greater torque, stronger response, and improved efficiency, ensuring instant throttle control and precision handling in the most demanding flight conditions. The E3 series is engineered for maximum durability, utilizing aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum to withstand the repeated crashes and high-impact demands of FPV flying. A hardened steel shaft ensures long-term structural integrity, while a precision-engineered G1 bearing delivers smooth, stable performance and extended motor life. Designed to handle the abuse of intense racing and freestyle environments, the E3 series prioritizes reliability without compromise. At launch, the E3 series will be available in multiple sizes to meet the needs of every pilot. The 2207 and 2306 variants are tailored for 5-inch racing and freestyle, delivering powerful acceleration, high torque, and the resilience to endure aggressive maneuvers and high-speed impacts. For larger rigs and pro-spec racing, the 2807 and 2808 motors provide unmatched thrust and efficiency, offering the raw power necessary for high-load cinematic applications and high-performance competition. EMAX believes that cutting-edge technology should be available to every pilot, which is why the E3 series is engineered to provide high-end performance at an affordable price. By optimizing materials and manufacturing processes, these motors deliver elite-level durability, power, and efficiency without the premium cost, ensuring that pilots of all skill levels can experience top-tier performance without breaking the bank. The E3 series isn't just another motor, it's a statement in high-performance engineering and durability. Built to withstand extreme conditions while maintaining peak performance, these motors set a new benchmark in reliability and power. Whether you're racing at the highest level, flying hard in freestyle, or pushing the boundaries of professional FPV, the EMAX E3 series is built to last and engineered to perform.